So this is our smart toaster, 2000, next generation toaster. It's got internet access. And typically a home internet IoT device like this toaster would have access to all of the internet when it's connected. So it would have access to, let's say here, Siro.ca's website. And also it would have access to all of the malware website on the internet. So obviously this is a behavior that we want to stop, is having this IoT device accessing malware site to download malware and compromise your home internet network. So most of the projects that we have are on Cyril app, GitHub project. So we got the mud gateway, we have the slides, we have around 20 different projects to make this. So it's all open source, all available.
Alright, so in this device here we have the Sierra app already pre-configured with certificate that can talk with the router. And this, of course, you could have running in your cell phone or any other device that we want to have the ability to do this configuration. So I'm just going to launch our Sierra app here, and then we have the option to just view devices. And then this is already talking to the router, and we have a list of the devices that's already online. I'm just going to select our toaster here. And then we have some basic information from the device. We can see the IP that it's using, the MAC address, the version of the firmware, some of the information here, and then we of course have the option to apply the mod file. That's where we're going to apply all the security rules in the gateway. So we're going to click Add Mod File, and what that gives us is essentially the camera for the QR code. I'm going to scan it. I'm going to hit it again because I was too slow. Alright, so it's telling us that this is a valid QR code, and the information that it has is essentially a URL for the mod file. So it's going to download the mod file, and I'm going to hit Add Device. It says Applying Mod Profile. So it just finished. What it did here is that essentially it downloaded the mod file. It applied all the rules in our firewall, and now the device is secure, and it accesses only it has only traffic that it can actually access, and everything else should be blocked and secure.
So the home toaster here has now been set up on the home network, and it should have access to the Siro network. That should work.
No change.
That works. Now all the different malware sites that this had access before, so if we go back to these malware sites, the access should be blocked. No internet access. So the access lists are only allowing the access to Siro.ca and block the rest. And that's the mod profile that we have for this next generation toaster 2000